Good morning, children. So today we are going to revise the topic, that is lesson number 7. Let us solve our own problems. You know, we have many people have various problems and we have to face the problems. So we should know how to solve it. किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है, रोज की जिंदगी में प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, है ना? सो खुद को हमको पता होना चाहिए कि हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम्स. सो इन दैट लेसन we have to learn. Everyone has responsibility to solve problems in civic life, है ना? Problems can be solved if everyone cooperates. So cooperation is very much essential to solve the problems. Dialogue and discussion can help solve disputes and problems. So we have to discuss our problem. हम लोग अपने problem किसी को दूसरों को बताएंगे नहीं तो वहां से solution कैसे मिलेगा? So we have to discuss the problem with others. We have to share our thoughts, or we have to share our problems to the others. Hence we can solve it. Then dispute can be solved peacefully. Okay, if there is a peace in a family, school and society, everyone benefits it. Peace is a social value that we have to learn in this lesson. Okay, if there is a peace in the family, you know, in family we live together, we eat together, we celebrate various functions together like birthday, marriages, है ना? So that there is, if there is peace in the family, school and society, everyone will benefit it. So peace contributes significantly to progress. It creates scope for advances in various fields like business, industry, education, art, literature, entertainment, science and technology also. So in this way, peace becomes a social value rather than a personal need. है ना? अगर कोई aggressive होता है, so it creates various problems. कि वो प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन नहीं होता है, उससे प्रॉब्लम और बढ़ सकते हैं. सो वी हैव टू so various issues in civic life, so many problems in our civic life. These problems cause us inconvenience. So one story is given in your syllabus, in your topic. So that is problem solving. How to solve a problem. How you heard about these attempts at solving problems? One Hivre Bazar is there. So in the village of Hivre Bazar of Ahmednagar district, water shortage was a big problem. वो जो गांव था वहां पे water का shortage था, ये सबसे बड़ा problem. You know, the water is very much essential. It's our daily need. We cannot live without water. Our work we cannot do any kind of work without water. So water is very essential. So this problem was solved with the help of and participations of the villagers. कि जहाँ पे water की problem थी, वो कैसे उन्होंने solve किया? They help each other, participate in the program and solve this water shortage issue. The problem of animal feed was also solved. Now Hivre Bazar has a lush green surrounding. कि वो प्रॉब्लम है करते नहीं बैठे, उन्होंने सॉल्यूशन निकाला उसका, सब मिलके प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व किया और वो अभी अच्छे से उनको पानी मिल रहा है, वहां पे ग्रीनरी हो रही है. एंड हिवरे बाजार लश ग्रीन सराउंडिंग. Many villages face water shortage. Find the reasons for this and suggest solutions. So we have to solve the problem also like a Hivre Bazar people, जैसे कि उन्होंने solve किया. You know, a great son, that is Sant Gadge Baba, used kirtans to stress the importance of keeping the village clean. उनको cleanliness सबसे ज्यादा पसंद थी संत गाडगे बाबा. वो खुद जहाँ पे उनको कचरा दिखता था वो जाके उठाते थे एंड संत गाडगे महाराज बाबा कीर्तन करते थे। उन्होंने अपने कीर्तन में इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कीपिंग द विलेज क्लीन, क्लीनलीनेस का संदेश सबको दिया है थ्रू इट्स कीर्तन्स। He told the people that we cannot make progress without cleanliness. It is true. So we should have to keep our house clean. We should have to keep our area clean. We should have to keep our country clean. अगर हम अपना घर, आजू बाजू का सराउंडिंग क्लीन रखेंगे तो हम लोग अपने देश की प्रगति कर सकते हैं। ये उन्होंने अपने कीर्तन से सब सारे लोगों को बताया है। और वो खुद भी हाथ में झाड़ू रखते थे हमेशा, जहां पे उनको कचरा दिखता था वो वहां जाके उठाते थे। यू कैन कलेक्ट मोर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट संत गाडगे बाबा, ओके। और उनके कीर्तन भी आप सुन सकते हो, उसमें वो क्लीनलीनेस के बारे में ही आपको बताया जाएगा। So he told the people that we cannot make progress without cleanliness, education and self-reliance also. It's a very main thing. He showed people how to clean the village through his own actions. Then another sant, that is the Rashtrasanta Tukaroji Maharaj, explained the importance of cleanliness through his Gram Gita. वो ग्राम गीता लिखते थे। उन्होंने भी अपने जो ग्राम गीता है उनकी, उनसे ग्राम की सफाई, ग्राम मतलब गांव है ना, मिळोनी करावी ग्राम सफाई, नाली मोरी ठाई ठाई, हस्ते परहस्ते साफ सर्वही चहूकडे मार्ग। म्हणजे जर आपण साफ स्वच्छता केली तर आपल्याला सगळीकडून चांगला मार्ग आपल्याला दिसेल। So through his, he is also a great sant, that is Rashtrasanta Tukaroji Maharaj. Then you can also collect few more information about Rashtrasanta Tukaroji Maharaj. ये दोनों संत थे बहुत great. Newspaper carry several articles about Shramadhan. Then collect these articles. You can do this activity also. आप ये सब information आप अपने collect कर सकते हो। So this is about these two sons in this lesson. So संत गाडगे बाबा जो कीर्तन करते थे, कीर्तन से अपने जो ग्राम की सफाई है, जो गांव की सफाई है, उनका संदेश देते थे through his actions. Then राष्ट्रसंत तुकडोजी महाराज, उन्होंने ग्राम गीता लिखी थी और ग्राम के सफाई के बारे में, ग्राम की जो डेवलपमेंट कैसे होगी उसके बारे में उन्होंने बताया। सो दैट इज अबाउट टू सन राष्ट्रसंत तुकडोजी महाराज एंड संत गाडगे बाबा। So this is the lesson. Now let's move to the next lesson, that is 8th lesson, public facilities and my school. In short, I am going to revise this topic also. Okay, so let's 8th lesson. In this lesson, we are to learn about the school and public facilities, various public facilities. We already learned this. So like hospital facility, transport facility, we get water every day. So lots of facilities available. We all use these public facilities and facility, water supply, electricity supply, health services, education and transport are some important public services. है ना, ये पूछ सकते एग्जाम में कि व्हाट आर द इम्पोर्टेंट पब्लिक सर्विसेज, वाटर सप्लाई, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई, ट्रांसपोर्ट, हेल्थ सर्विसेज, एजुकेशन, these are some public facilities. Okay, just we discuss question answers of this lesson. Then various facilities are available to us in our school. कौन सी फैसिलिटी हमारे स्कूल में अवेलेबल है, ये भी आप लोग अपने मन से लिख सकते हो कौन सी है। So we have sufficient classroom, library, electricity supply, girls toilet, boys toilets, laboratory, drinking water, safe drinking water, we have study corner, then computer class also, playground, medical facility. Okay, so these facilities that are also available in our school. Okay, then The role of community in development of the school. What is a role of community in the development of school? That is, many people and institutions help to set up the school. Many parents, then past students, writers, artists, sports persons, scientists, and industrialists are also develop the school. A school is given assistant in the constructions of the classroom also. These are the various community that develop the, that help in development of the school. Okay, then next question. So which important decisions were made in the parent teacher meeting? Parent teacher meeting क्यों important होती है? That solve the problems of teacher and students also, that helpful for the development of the children. Okay, so the school respects all the parents alike. We must all inform our parents about the happenings in the school. So we learn with the help of both teacher and parent. Their interactions are to our benefit. Okay, so this is about the parent teachers interaction that we have to learn from the school. Then next question, what will happen? It is also very much important. What will happen if boys and girls are not given an equal right to education? So what happened? You know, all the children that has a equal right to education, we should have to educate all. So what happened? The girls will be provided of education. Then the society will not prosper, because if you educate a girl, you educate a family. It's a main thing. So if boys and girls are not given an equal right to education, अगर हमने नहीं दिया तो आपको पता है कि girl will be deprived of education. Then the society will not prosper, because if you educate a girl, you educate a family. Then next is, if a community does not help the school, अगर community ने school को help नहीं किया तो क्या हो सकता है? You know what is the role of community in the development of school? The community has a role in the development of the school. If the community does not help the school, then the school will not be able to provide the students with various facilities like sports equipments, libraries, and laboratories, etc. Okay, so there is a big role of community in the development of the school. Then if public services and facilities are not used responsibly, we know we use the public facilities, public services, हम लोग सब public services use करते हैं, public facility use करते हैं, transport use करते हैं, hospitalization का hospital use करते हैं. अगर हमने वो properly use नहीं किया तो क्या हो सकता है? If public services and facilities are not used responsibly and with care, then the people will not be able to use them for a longer time. है ना, अगर हमने अच्छे से यूज नहीं किया, जो सिटी बस है, मेट्रो है, हमने से हमारी समझ के अगर यूज नहीं किया तो हम लोग उसको ज्यादा देर तक के यूज नहीं कर सकेंगे, खराब हो जाएगी, वेस्ट यानी so we have to use it very responsibility. It's our responsibility as a good citizen to handle it very carefully. Okay, children, so this is about then next lesson, that is the maps, our companions, and 10th lesson, that in getting to know India, that we learn, we discuss in our next video. So bye everyone.